Welcome to my YouTube channel, Panda Productions 1 to 3. Rude versus polite sentences. Shut up.
Could you please lower your voice?
You're wrong again.
Actually, I think it might be a bit different.
Hey, get me the menu.
Excuse me, could I please see the menu?
That idea is dumb.
I'm not sure that would work, but maybe we can try another approach.
How would I know?
I'm not sure, but I can try to find out.
How much money do you make?
What field do you work in, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, I hate that.
Thank you, but I don't really like that.
You messed everything up.
Looks like something went wrong. Let's fix it together.
Hurry up already.
Do you think we could speed things up a little?
I'm done. Bye.
Thanks for your time. It was great talking to you.
This is a total disaster.
There seem to be a few issues we should look into.
You look tired and old.
Are you okay? You seem a bit tired today.
What do you want?
Hi there. How can I help you?
This is terrible.
I think there's room for improvement here.
I need a drink.
Would it be possible to get a drink, please?
I don't want to go.
Thank you for the invite, but I won't be able to make it.
You want this or not?
Would you like some?
Do it now.
Could you please do this when you have a moment?
That's stupid.
I'm not sure I agree with that.
You're wrong.
I see your point, but may I offer another perspective?
Help me with this.
Would you mind helping me with this?
Give me your phone.
Could I please borrow your phone?
Thanks for watching Panda Productions 1 to 3.